Today we're playing Demolition Tire with my sister here, Savannah.
Yeah.
My name's Sebastian, and I'm a new YouTuber. Started like about 3 days ago. I wanted to be a YouTuber like Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, and PewDiePie. If you all want to subscribe to them. Let's get to Demolition Derby. Oh, Jesus. Here's my tire, and here's my sister's tire. Well, we're playing at someone else's place. Oh, Jesus. Almost about got hit. So let's get to round one. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Jesus, almost fell off. Oof. A guy, I'm a girl, strikes with a hit. Number 2. Not cool. Oh, and 3. Spin. Okay, this is actually very sickening. Whoever falls off loses the game.
I would never fall off.
She's stroking and this would happen to me. No!
Yeah.
I'm sick. That's why you never mess with my sister. If you want, you can go to her on Facebook. Yeah, Facebook.
How about no?
No. And I strike with 1 hit.
Me?
Out of 4. Nope. I am not swinging at all right here. Oh! Oh, the juke! So my new way for this is to literally pull this upwards, so I have an advantage of like making her miss.
But I didn't miss that time, so.
Yeah, you skinned it barely.
I hit it with my foot.
Yeah, that's your foot, and it skinned it barely.
Oh, poor baby.
So right now, my sister is winning. I just had a major big lag right there. Freaking sorry about that, but I had a huge lag. Let me get swinging, okay? Guys.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, I just got done swinging. My hand. Ow. I'm gonna get bruises. Ow!
I thought that was the tire there.
Oh.
You okay?
I'm gonna have to reward that for 0 points. I just got karate chopped in the freaking stomach.
Hey, it wasn't karate chop, it was a kick.
Oh,
You look like the tire.
Jesus, you went like, yeah! Jesus. Boo!
What happens when you grow up with falling?
Ew, thanks.
And you're still a wimp, you're scared to touch mud.
I can go in mud, okay?
But you won't touch it with your bare hands.
I can touch it with my bare hands.
You want to touch spider webs with your own hands.
Okay, I would touch spider webs if I had to.
And then you complain about when your feet get hurt. You fell off.
Guess what, guys? I fell off. See? Lost my shoes.
I got kicked in the face.
Oh yeah, so what I was wasn't videotaping. I accidentally hit her in the face while putting. That's revenge, for God's sakes.
Oh, you want some revenge? I'll give you some.
No!
Better start moving.
Whoever gets to 3 wins.
1, 2, 3. I made it to 3.
No, not like that.
You didn't say how.
And a turbo track for the man's at a bottom. Bum 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 bum. Runs at a pit right bottom. Lab rat. Tree! Sister! Sebastian! Would you speak? Better turn the ball backpack then. We have 4 minutes till the next round. Oh Jesus! I do not want to get hit.
Get hit.
Jesus Christ! I got hit in the butt. This thing needs like about 2 crew people. Oh Jesus!
I'm done.
Spinning. Well, Demolition Derby is now over. Going on to the next game.
Very horny.
Ow! I hope I caught that on tape. Oh, that was so cool what I just did. Oh, Jesus. It's hard because it's on a camera. Freaking ball. Kick out. Oh, Jesus. I'm not getting that.
Okay.
Look what my sister did. Wow. Spider web. I always run into a spider web. I don't like. What the? Ouch. Come on. You're slow, like a slug. What the frick? What does my other phone want? See, I have a second phone. It's horrible because it's a flip phone. Okay, let's continue. Wait, spare it, wait. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to continue holding. This is not cool at all. Ow! Oh, I heard that. Spanner, could you grab the ball?
What do you mean grab the ball? No, you're already out there.
Savannah, could you grab a Band-Aid, please? I cut. I'm bleeding.
Well, go inside with it. Go wash it off and grab a Band-Aid.
Oh, wait, it's fine. That was a waste of time. Oh, Jesus! Savannah, could you hold this, please? I'll be back. Just talk.
Talk. Talk. Talk. Wimp. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything. Yay, and the wimp is back.
No, it was actually bleeding bad.
Oh, like a drop of blood or two? Oh my gosh.
Oh, hell no, no. It was like literally leaking.
Wow, poor baby.
Can't even beat Michael.
You can't even beat me.
Can't even beat Aiden.
Aiden's stronger than you, and he's just 2 years old.
No, that's so not true. No. Yeah, I don't want to be running. You want to go back to Demolition Derby, Savannah?
No.
I meant Demolition Tire.
Demolition, get the newspaper.
Jesus
Lost that
Christ.
too.
Oops.
Oops, I'll give you a knuckle sandwich. And that would be an
Yeah,
oops.
right. Oh my freaking God.
There's a nail in the tree. Oh gosh. News people. I'm joking. It's the news. The
Mail guy right there.
mailman.
Oh my
It
God,
could be
he's
a
coming
woman.
to kill
It could
us.
be a woman, dude. Respect.
He's coming to get us. Let's hide. Come on, Savannah, Savannah. Come on, come on. Let's hide.
I'm not hiding.
Seriously.
Oh, you're a freaking stalker. Stalker.
Just waiting here for the mail.
You know it's going to turn on the street before it gets us. It's going to turn on that side road.
Yeah, like it will. You don't know.
It will, I bet. I bet it will.
No, it won't.
It won't come to us first, it will turn.
Oh,
Yeet.
darn it. My sister was right.
Dang.
Jesus, that guy had his music on like, bro, he's a male person and he has his music like 100.
Yeah, I got something in my eye.
Oh, well, you want to go back to kicking soccer?
Nah.
Then now what?
I don't know. That's what sisters are great for.
Sisters are great for playing with Barbie dolls.
Shit, like I have a single Barbie doll in my room.
You have dolls.
Yeah, I Those are antiques Mom gave me. That used to be great grandma's, and they stay in my room. They're not meant for toys.
Blah, 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 blah. Well, I guess it's going to be end of 1. See ya next time. Bye.
See you never.